Oh yeah.
It's not bad coming up till you catch a good rock or a big rut or there's every which way but right.
And you got 900 pounds under your ass. Oh shit. Better keep it under me, not on me.
I hear you.
Oh man. Well, that was pretty short-lived. Oh shit. Get off of it. Oh my God, why didn't you hit the brakes? Look out, don't try to stop that thing. That quad hit him too, I think.
He hit the tree.
And did the quad hit him between the tree though? It looked like it pinned him. Yeah, he's not, yeah, that's not good. That thing hit with some force too. I hope he's okay. That's what you don't, I don't, like he popped out of gear.